everyone. Today we're going to do step 2 of our essay. Yesterday we found our claim and finished step 1, which is understand what you're supposed to write about. And our claim is marine otters are endangered. While we're reading the article today, we're going to be listening carefully to find out different reasons why marine otters are endangered. And at the end, we'll come in and fill in this chart with our 3 different reasons. These reasons are going to be in our own words. So we are not pulling text evidence today. We're simply reading the text and finding out the different ways marine otters are endangered. So let's begin reading. Endangered species, the marine otter. And we have a picture here. The marine otters are sometimes called sea cats. Paragraph 1. The marine otter lives off the coast of South America. It is sometimes called the sea cat. It has a long body, a flat head, and small ears. Its face is wide and has whiskers. The marine otter has short legs and webbed feet. Its shape makes it a great swimmer. Thick, shiny, dark brown hair covers its body. These otters are not very big. They have a head and body length of 2 to 3 feet. That is not counting their tails. The tail adds another 12 inches. And here we have our fact card. And the scientific name for a marine otter is Lontra felina. Its range, where it lives off the coast of Argentina, Chile, and Peru in South America. So we see this dark green area over here on this side of the map, and that's where the marine otter lives. It's a mammal. Its length is 22 to 31 inches. Its weight is 7 to 31 pounds, so they can be small like a cat, or 31 pounds is like a dog, a medium dog. And its diet, it's a carnivore. It eats meat, and it mainly eats shellfish. So things like lobsters and crabs, clams, all right? And of course, it's an endangered animal. Fun fact, the scientific name means otter cat, and in Spanish, the marine otter is also often referred to as gato marino, which means marine cat. Paragraph 3. Marine otters feed mostly on sea animals. They like crabs, clams, and oysters. They swim on their backs and lay their catch on their chests. Then they use rocks to crack open the hard shells. The killer whale is the marine otter's main predator. So a predator is an animal that eats another animal. All right, so killer whales are the predator of the marine otter. Marine otters mostly move around alone. Sometimes people see small groups in the wild, though. Marine otter babies are born in February or March. Usually there are 2, 3, or 4 pups in a litter. So here we have our first subsection, habitat and population. Paragraph 5. The marine otter lives along the western coast of South America. That is where the land meets the Pacific Ocean. It is hard to know how many otters live there. They are usually seen alone. Scientists think there are not many marine otters left in the wild. There might be as few as 2,000. There used to be many more. Sea otters live in water all the time, but marine otters live on land. They live in rocky areas near the water. They feed along the rocky shores. The otters often live in caves near the seashore. Sometimes they live on docks or old boats. These creatures like to live where rivers run into the ocean. They make short trips into the water to hunt for food. Sometimes they find their food in the ocean. Sometimes they swim up the river. Otters will swim far to find freshwater shrimp. So that's a favorite food. They like freshwater shrimp and they're willing to travel a long time to find it. So let's stop now. Have we read any reasons why sea otters might be endangered? What do you think? Here we have another picture of a marine otter. Short legs and webbed feet make the marine otter a powerful swimmer. And we have another subheading, History and Conservation. Paragraph 8. For a very long time, there were many marine otters. That changed in the 1900s. People started hunting the otters. They wanted otter fur. The hunters killed nearly all the marine otters. Now the marine otter is a protected species. However, illegal hunting continues. The protection laws are not enforced well. People break the law and do not get punished. Did we read a reason why the marine otters are endangered? What is it? Let's keep reading. Paragraph 9. Today, the marine otter faces other dangers too. People are building more and more along the coast. That means less land for the otters. Otters look for fish and oysters, just as people who fish for a living do. People and otters go fishing in the same places. So sometimes the otters get caught in fishing nets. They can die this way. Can you name another reason why marine otters might be in danger? Let's keep reading. Paragraph 10. Water pollution also is a problem for the otters. Waste from factories and cities flows into the rivers and ocean. The marine otters drink the water. This polluted water is not good for them. Did we read another way that marine otters might be endangered? What is it? Now that we've finished reading the text, we're going to fill in our chart at the top of the assignment. And here in the chart, we have 3 boxes. So look for step 2. It's highlighted in blue. And in your own words, using no evidence from the text, you should tell 3 different reasons why marine otters are endangered. You can go back and look in the text if you don't remember. You can also rewind this video so that you can hear me read the text again if you need it. So you're going to give 3 reasons, and I would suggest you start with 1 reason, all right, and go from there. Another reason. All right, use your transition words to help you start your sentences. This is an independent work that will be checked by your teacher. Do not submit this assignment when you are finished. Let me repeat that. Do not submit this assignment when you are finished. What you can do is write in chat and let me know that this is complete and that you're going to work on your choice board activities. If you have any questions, feel free to raise your hand and ask.